How to manage video autoplay on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage video autoplay on Twitter. First thing we're gonna do is go to Twitter and then go here and go down and click settings and privacy, and now click this one, accessibility, and then this one here, accessibility, and now click video autoplay. And now all you do is just choose unless you want Wi-Fi only or never, and that's how manage video autoplay. And you can select anything you want here, and then just it will be done. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.